Hey guys, it's Matt with Personal Funnels. Good to see you. I hope you're having a great day. So today we're answering the question, what are personal funnels? Well, personal funnels are a system for growing your business through personal relationships. Now, I've been in marketing for over a decade. And when you start to study marketing automation, because it's really hot right now, what you learn is that the psychology that makes that work is really just the same if you take the marketing out. And I'm not an automation guy. I'm a personal relationships kind of guy. And so I started to realize that I had been building my business on the same psychology, just focusing on personal relationships. And so I've decided that taking that decade of knowledge, I want to teach other people. And so stay tuned on this channel. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll be talking more about that in the future. Definitely creating a course. In the meantime, I will be running a live workshop with the future. And so if you click some of the links below, you'll be able to find out more about that. But like I said, I hope you like and subscribe. I hope to keep in touch with you, and I hope to see you soon. Have a great day. Take care.